Okay, let's draw this out. We have a 45-degree angle. Just gonna label it down here.
What are you gonna do about 8
Put
kilometers?
8 right there. All you need to know is the angle and the radius. This angle's in degrees, obviously.
What if you did it backwards? Because isn't 45 supposed to
Hey,
be
why do you think he has an arrow from the 45 point to the
Yeah, that's the angle.
slice?
Okay. That's 45 degrees, and I put the 8 there just so I could fit it there.
You're confusing, Brian. I'll kill you.
Okay, so let's go ahead and write out the formula for. Actually, let's just go ahead and write out theta because it's going to be pretty clear for each of these. Theta will be what in this example? Okay. And then we can find the area just by doing pi r squared. What's the radius? 8, right? Pi times 8 squared. Okay, so we're just going to take these two components, the area and the angle, and plug it into our sector formula. Okay? So instead of theta over 360, it's going to be 45 over 360 times pi 8 squared. Don't really need this parenthesis right here. So just like that will be fine. You can either simplify it or you can just plug it straight into the calculator. Okay, so on the front page, it's saying round to the nearest tenth. So all you really need to do is just plug that into your calculator. 25.1 would be the nearest tenth. As far as what letter to use for sector, you could just use S.
Thank you.
Okay, that's all you have to do for the front page. I don't see how that's complicated or anything. Now looking on the back, it's going to be simplifying, okay? It says find the area. It doesn't say round to the nearest tenth.